In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share multiple messages when you can't forward them all at once. Sometimes your workspace doesn't let you forward several messages in a single action, and that can be frustrating when you're trying to move a whole conversation somewhere else. The good news is there are three reliable ways to handle it. Share each message individually, copy links to the messages, or use an automation tool like the React channeler to route messages based on an emoji reaction. I'll walk you through each option so you can choose what fits your situation. First, sharing each message individually. Open the conversation, find the first message you want to move, and use the share or forward option to send it to the destination channel or person. Then repeat for the next message and so on. To maintain the original order, decide up front whether you'll go oldest to newest or the other way around and stick with it. Add a brief note in your first share to explain the context so recipients know what they're seeing. If your destination supports threads, start a thread with your summary and drop each forwarded message into that thread to keep everything tidy. Second, copying message links. Every message typically has a link you can grab. Copy the link for each message you want to reference, then paste them into a single post in the target channel or chat. Place each link on its own line and optionally include a short label like Part 1 or Follow-up so people know how to read them. This method is fast, preserves the original timestamps and authorship, and avoids cluttering the destination with multiple forwarded posts. Just remember that recipients need permission to view the original location. If they don't, the links won't open for them. Third, using a tool like the React channeler. Once it's set up by your workspace admins, you choose a specific emoji that acts as a trigger. Whenever you react to a message with that emoji, the tool automatically copies the message into a designated channel. This is great for ongoing workflows like triaging support requests or curating highlights. Pick a distinct emoji so you don't trigger it by accident and double check that the tool is pointed at the correct destination. After reacting, review the copied message to ensure any attachments or formatting came through as expected. Choose the approach that matches your volume and frequency. For a handful of messages, forwarding or linking is simple. For recurring needs, the emoji-based automation saves time. Either way, keep messages in order, add a clear summary, and verify access so everyone can follow along.